Hi everyone, my name is Magdalene Janet and welcome to L'Oreal Paris channel. I am so excited to be here. Today we're going to talk all about how to conceal these fine areas, bald spots with the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up Spray and Brush. I want to show you a quick before, you see the sparseness, and after, how naturally filled and full your edges will look. This Magic Root Cover Up is a new holy grail because it is a temporary roots color that fills in any sparse areas. This is truly great if you have gray hair that in between salon visit. This temporary color is a game changer. It comes in several different shades to fit your perfect hair color. I have pretty dark brown. My hair is naturally a dark brown. Therefore, I'm using the shade dark brown. I'm going to spray this way. You see the color here, it's the perfect dark brown. It has like a bit of a neutral undertone. I like to add my hand because my hand has ridges. Let me take this ring off. It's going to cover up perfectly since it's not a perfect straight line. I'm going to use this L shape with my hand. I'm going to spray the Magic Root Cover Up this way. It's going to literally take a few seconds. And I like to get the roots because that's where my hair is very fine. I have naturally fine hair. Ooh, see how nice and filled that is? While it's still a little wet, you're gonna blend it with a brush so that you get that natural perfect look. Wow, look at this. Versus this. Wow, you see the difference? And it's temporary, so it's super easy to use. It's not heavy, it's not sticky, it stays on your hair all day long. If you tend to sweat, if you have oily skin like I do, it won't sweat down or drip down because it's so embedded and meshed into your hair. It attaches to your hair and it just works like this. You'll literally look like this all day long. You can see this clear before and after. The formula is such a lightweight, non-sticky formula, which literally is my favorite. It melts into your hair so nicely. It really meshes in. You can see here clearly the before. You see my sparse areas versus the after, nice and filled. Love it. But if you're like, wait, I don't want to spray, I want another option. L'Oreal Paris has the Magic Root Concealer Pen / brush. So we just open this up. We're going to twist this around to have the product come out. I like to blend the product on my hand a little bit so I know how much is on the brush. If you have grays that are especially close to your hairline or the front of your hair, or if you have sparse areas, you can grab this pen and get very detailed in the areas that you want to conceal a little bit more. This brush is so soft. It allows the product to be blended in nicely. This brush reminds me of like a makeup brush. Just blends so nicely. Sometimes you need something smaller to get into very tiny areas, and this is literally perfect. You see, this area is kind of bothering me. Hold on, let's fill that one in. We're going to just brush it, blend it again. A brush will help just blend the product together and embed it into your hair. This is the before, and then the after with the spray and the brush concealing little fine areas. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. And look how natural it looks. You don't see harsh lines at all. And because the color matches my hair so well, it blends in like magic. Now, let's go on the other side because I'm so excited and I love how fast this is. Line up right here, close my hand. You're gonna go a few inches out and you're gonna spray lightly. The further out, the more diffused it will look. You see how nice and filled that is? Pow! We're gonna blend. No mess. So quick and easy and to the point. This literally takes 3 seconds. We get our handy dandy brush. If you can't get to the salon as quickly as you would like to, you can use this to cover up your grays, cover up sparse areas. So naturally, so easy, and quick and straight to the point. We love that because we're always on the go, you know? I'm ready to leave the house. all ready to leave the house. I love this. This has truly been the game changer for me because I have very fine hair and sparse areas. I've always had that, and I've always wanted something that looks natural, that's fast, that's not sticky, to cover up the areas. And this is literally how I use it. Anytime I use this, it's either with my hair slicked back, or if I wear my hair down, I'll get just like the very corners here, so it makes my hair look fuller. That's what I love that this product provides for us, is just that comfort and feeling of feeling good in easy steps that's super quick and mess free. If you want to know where to purchase both of these Magic Root Cover Up spray and brush, visit l'orealparisusa.com to get all the information you need. It will be linked down below for you. Thank you so much for hanging out and stopping by to learn how to use the Magic Root Cover Up spray and brush, tips and tricks for a girl that has fine hair.